In this video, I'll show you how to find your Facebook username in just a few simple steps. Your Facebook username is the unique name connected to your profile that appears in your profile link. It's useful when you want to share your profile with others or copy your profile link quickly. First, open the Facebook app and tap on your profile picture to go to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three dots next to the Edit Profile button. This will open your profile settings. Here, look for the option called Profile Link or Username. Tap on it, and you'll be able to see your Facebook username. Your username is the part that appears at the end of your profile link, usually after facebook.com. You can also copy the link from here and share it with others if you want them to easily find your profile. And that's it. That's how you can find your Facebook username. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.